name's Kyler. I'm from San Diego.
You got anything else? Nourishment. Mountain Dew.
This one's for the boys back home. Do the do. Do the do.
Torn ACL.
That's the do. That's the do. Everybody give it up. Who likes Mountain Dew in the house?
Dude, let's
Drinking champions. Who needs Gatorade? We got Mountain Dew. Everybody, Banana Man #2 got 22. Give it up for him. How's it go, Banana Man? Do it again. You know the first Banana Man? You know the first Banana Man? Yeah. Did you guys plan like the banana thing? Homie. It's a homie. We're homies now because you got 22, bro. Way to go. Bring this guy down.